Officine Panerai's quest for high-level craftsmanship and passion for detail has never ceased. They have grown through the centuries and continue evolving in new shapes. Inspired by the pursuit for innovation, Officine Panerai was committed to creating a watch of rare beauty. The masterpiece that resulted from years of research is the Panerai pocket watch. Its refined design celebrates the origins of watchmaking, while a P2005 caliber, a sophisticated tourbillon, beats at the heart of this innovative watch, reinterpreted by Officine Panerai to achieve more accurate timekeeping. Its body, forged in warm black ceramic, enhances its exclusivity, elevating the Panerai pocket watch to its position as the ultimate expression of a brand devoted to innovation as well as tradition.